This is a design for a digital display that would go up in a junior high school. Every once in a while, it will look almost perfect, and this one is almost perfect. Just a couple of little distractions. Here we have a little black something on the floor, and I don't know, this kind of draws my eyes to it as well. So let's fix that. This has been brought in as a smart object. You can tell by this little icon on the layer down here. And so, since it's a smart object, we can transform it without losing any quality. You can come into the Edit menu and do a free transform. And I'm going to just come down to this corner, and I'm going to hold my Option and Shift keys down, which will zoom it out from the center, just enough to get rid of those two distractions. Then I will click the check mark up there, and that looks even better.